Hello guys, welcome to Online Cash. On this channel we'll talk about how to make money easily online. Today today we'll be talking about a platform called funtv. So funtv you literally earn um income by watching videos. So um you earn money, sorry. You earn money by watching videos. Now I'll take you through the app and how it works. So after watching this video, um I get it to understand how the platform work. You come to the comment section or the description section of this video and you will find the link to this platform, and through this link you will download the app. So after downloading the app, you will use your Google account to sign in on the app. Now if you use the link, they will be giving you a reward of about 65,000 coins. I think so. Yes, 65,000 coins. So that is it. And it will bring you, after signing up, it will bring you to this platform. So most times it takes times to load. It takes time to load. So you just have patience for it to load. Now, so here is the platform. So these are the videos. Now, if you want to earn, number one way you can earn, if you look at it down here, you see home, you see for you see reward, and you see profile. Now, if you look at the rewards, tap on the rewards. Now, here is your daily check-in. So every day you check in, you see 800 coin, 800 coin, 900 to 7 days, which is 1,500 coins. So I've already checked in today. As you can see, it's showing come again tomorrow. Another way you can earn on this platform is by inviting your friend. You see, each friend you invite is about 195,000 coins. So these coins you convert them to dollars. So I will show you the conversion rate and how you can do that. Now you can see daily tasks, watch it to get coins, and try the game, invite friends, watch episode to get rewards, and you can see all of that. So I've watched about two videos for today. So I've completed about 500 coins and I'm trying to complete this 800 now, 891 coins. So you can watch up to 5,000 coins a day. So you mainly earn money on this app by inviting. If you want to earn more from this app, you um invite. So that is it. You can see newbie tags. You can follow WhatsApp 500 coins, follow TikTok, and follow Telegram. You can see. So if you come in, you see your profile. You see your profile. You see about 92. I have about 92 um thousand coins, 92.11 thousand coins, which is about $0.09. So it's about $0.09, and you can see how many videos I've watched. I've watched just 4 videos. Now if you want to withdraw, you just tap on withdraw. So I'll show you how to watch the videos. Just be patient. Just tap on withdraw, and as you can see, it takes time to load most times. So you need to have patience with this app. Let's just wait. So as you can see, minimum withdrawal 5,000 sorry, $5. The highest you can withdraw is $100. Now for you to get $5, you have to have 5 million coins. As you can see, 5,125,000 coins to get about $5. So it's somehow easy because your work is just to watch video like TikTok. Just scroll, watch videos, and you accumulate those coins. When you invite, if you invite much people, you get up to um If you invite much people in a week, you get up to that $5, and $5 in naira is about 8,000 naira. I think so. Okay, 7 5, yes, 7 5, depending on our rate now, the dollar rate now. So that is it. Now, so let me show you how to watch the videos and how you can accumulate your coins. So you see the reward, you're seeing 1,000 coins here. I'm coming just a minute. Okay, so you come to this. If you look at it, you see home, for you, rewards, and profile. Just come to this place that it's showing for you. So tap on it, wait, let it load. You see it's more like TikTok, and the home is like movie boss. Then the for you is like TikTok. So it's just like TikTok. You scroll, watch videos, and accumulate those coins which you will. So all I just have to do, you can see that's accumulated just now, and all I have to do is to claim. You so now here's it. So you can see now already. Tap on claim. So tap on claim and you wait for it to load. Just wait. And if you can see, you can also see and claim at the top. You see 18,000 coins because you watched episodes, so you claim that one too. So it's so easy to. So that is how you earn on this platform. If you want to watch, tap on invite now. So you see your details, just copy your link, and that is all. So that is how you earn on this platform. If you reach the minimum withdrawal of um $5, which is 5 million coins, which is actually easy to get, um you withdraw from this platform. So if you have any question about the platform, just do wait to put it at the comment section, and I will not hesitate to answer you. And if you want more of this video, just like and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that anytime I make a post, you'll be part of the first people to get the notification. Thank you.